Zombies now?
Where to? We jumping off the back and getting these guys, or what?
No, hold on. I want to see where he goes.
Here he is. That's not all.
Oh, there's more people in there. More people in there.
Yep.
This guy's gonna finish himself on me before I do.
Hold on. I need ammo. I can't fight.
I got him.
You got a zombie on you? Back up.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Is that all, you think?
I'm gonna reload my gun. No, there's more in there.
Okay. Yeah, he's in there. I see him. At the back, or is that a zombie? I can't tell. I'm plating. See him? Yeah?
No, just zombie.
Just zombie. You sure there's more? Let's pretend there is.
Yeah, it was the guy who was shooting me before.
Okay, I'm on the other side.
Zombies drop 400 each, so...
Yeah. From that hallway? Yeah, I see. I'm flanking him.
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh, you got it. Oh, that's it. We got all the zombies. Let's do it.
Dude, we got the zombies, but I think
behind me. He's coming.
He's hurt. Nice. Okay, we gotta find that orange card.
Yeah, I got it. I already picked it up.
Nice. Fucking right. Holy shit.
Wow, buddy.